how to repair PDF file, repair the corrupted file। करप्टेड फाइल को किस तरह से रिपेयर करते हैं, आइए देखते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, लिंक इज गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स एंड गो देयर and click on that link. Then you can reach on this website. Then select your PDF. So I have this PDF and this PDF is not open, so encrypted. So I am clicking in this website. So select the that PDF. So this PDF is not opened. Then click on open and you can see uh, total page are 16 page and uh, the PDF is uploaded. Then click on prepare PDF. So you can see the PDF is processed successful. That is uh, corrupted or created on the right way. Then click on this download button and click on this. So open that PDF. As you can see, the PDF is opened and I am showing you that PDF is here, and cut it and paste the PDF in this screen, and you can see the PDF is opened. So the corrupted PDF file is created the new PDF as a new PDF. So this is uh, how to repair the PDF file, uh, so and corrupted file. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this video and information is helpful for you. Then subscribe us and don't forget to like, share and comments. Thanks for watching.